Hi, everyone. Ms. Sundberg here. So for this week, our first week of quarter two, you have this page due. It's kind of putting all of the information together that we've talked about so far. If you are in Mr. Brewer's class or Mr. Meyer's class, hopefully you received like a periodic table that looks like this. You're going to want to have that out. That looks is going to be pretty helpful. If you haven't received one and you're in the C cohort or were in the C cohort, go into chemistry resources in your Schoology page, and you will have a PDF of this. If you have access to a printer, I suggest you print it. Otherwise, just save it as a really important document. But this has a lot of valuable information on it. So how you do this is basically you divide the compound into the positive part and the negative part, okay? And the positive part is your cation, and the negative part is your anion. The positive part always comes first. It's the metal. The metal has to come first. And so when you divide this, you get two parts. Usually, for now, each part will have one capital letter. So the positive part will have one capital letter. The negative part will have one capital letter. So just divide them up. So I'm going to write Na is my positive, Cl is my negative. Now, how do I know? I go down here, I find Na and go up to the top. Na has a positive 1 charge. So I would write this down as a +1. Okay, then go back to my periodic table. Chlorine is right here. Go up to the top. You see that there's a -1 charge there. So -1. Now, when you have opposite charges, they cancel. And so when they crisscrossed over here, you didn't see any subscripts because the positive one cancels the -1. And when you crisscross them, they cancel out. So then you just have to name this. You always name the first element, the name it is, sodium, Na is sodium. And then the last element, you write chlorine, but because it's now bonded, it has to change its name, right? So you get rid of the I and E, you can delete that, and then you change the ending to IDE for now. Next week, we're gonna add 2 more new endings, but this is pretty much how you do it. Let's look at the next one, CAS. Is just like the one I did before. So I'm going to do a sample problem of the third one with barium bromide. So barium, if you don't know the name of barium, you can see we have all the elements listed here alphabetically. So barium, Ba, element number 56. So you can go up here, go in order. Element number 56 is right there, Ba. And because it's in this column, it has a +2 charge. So I can write Ba with a +2 charge, okay? Then I can move to bromide, IDE, bromide. Used to be bromine, but now that it was bonded, it changed its name. So bromine is right here, Br with a -1 charge. So Br with a -1 charge. Now, when you go to crisscross these charges, I'm going to take this 2, and I am going to, no. I'm going to take this 2, I'm going to bring it down here, and I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to bring it down here, and then I rewrite the formula, dropping the number 1s and dropping the charges. So it's going to be Ba, Br2. Okay, and then make sure you don't actually write those charges. Make sure you don't write those charges like with them crisscrossed, okay? So there's 2 examples. Hopefully that gives you an idea of how to do the rest of this page. And this is what you submit. Page 6 looks like this, just 1 page, a bunch of problems, and that's what's due by midnight on Friday. Okay, thanks, bye.